Okay guys, we are back with Kila Brainwa because remember guys I told you that we're gonna craft Las Capuchinas. So yes, I crafted it already. If you want to see it, I'm gonna show you. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Las Capuchinas! Look how cute they are! If you already found it before then. But I never found it because it looks so cute. I really want this, but I'm not gonna take it. This one's subscribers account. It's my friend. Yeah, that's nice. She's now. He crafted with poison. Okay, well, I'm happy to see this. I just wanted to show you guys because I said last time. We're gonna see this.